Hello everyone, welcome to RTFM, aka Read the Freaking Manual. I'm Roberto Cruz and today is a special day because it's our very first video on this channel. And I'm going to happily illustrate our mission here and ultimately what this channel is all about. But firstly, I'd like to give you guys a bit of an introduction. So I'm Roberto Cruz, I'm a control systems engineer. And I have been involved in working with industrial automation systems for nearly a decade, or nearly 2 decades now, actually. I'm currently based in Britain. I'm from Brazil, Sao Paulo. And for quite a while, I've been thinking on finding a way just to, share some of the knowledge and experience and skills that I have acquired over the years. So hence the reason I'm opening up this channel. So this is going to be a very short one. It's just an introduction so we can dive into the actual content over the next couple of videos. So the mission is pretty simple. It's a very simple mission. So basically we are going to be RTFM'ing together. Therefore, we're going to be turning boring technical reading manual into a more visual sort of content where we can actually use real software and real applications so we can read the manual together, right? So obviously I couldn't pick another software but the RS Logix 5000 family, aka RS Studio 5000, and we are going to be RTFMing the RS Logix emulate on the upcoming videos. All right. So just obviously a very short video just for an introduction. So I'd like to welcome you guys. So please feel free to leave any ideas, any thoughts in the comments for future videos. I hope you guys enjoy the content. I hope you guys appreciate it. If you guys, make sure you follow us on Instagram right here, somewhere here. There's it. Just follow us on Instagram so you can actually get in touch, send, engage in some ideas and, content. So I really appreciate it. So thanks for being here. If you really appreciate this sort of content, obviously, if you just wait it out until we get some more videos. So if you really appreciate it, just make sure you do consider subscribing to the channel. Follow us on the social media. We've just got the Instagram page, and we're going to be, sharing all the content, all the new videos, we're going to be sharing on our page. So stay tuned. Obviously, ring the bell to, get all the, to make sure you get notified about our lately videos, right? Latest videos. So thank you very much for being here. And remember, guys, always RTFM. I'll see you next time.